When life hands you lemons, add them to a marinade for lamb, swirl them into a pie, bake them into cookies, or the classic, squeeze them into a lemonade. And while it's zesty, citrus flavor can elevate the taste of most dishes. Lemons are more than just that. Experts have found that these citrus fruits pack in the nutrition as well. Here's a reckoner of the health benefits that they provide. 1. Lowers the risk of stroke and heart disease. Adding lemon to your diet may reduce the risk of ischemic stroke, thanks to its high vitamin C and flavonoid content, which improves blood vessel function and reduces inflammation. Studies show that women who consumed the most citrus had a lower stroke risk. Additionally, the fiber and plant compounds like asparagine and diosmin in lemons can lower cholesterol when consumed regularly for 4 weeks. 2. Boosts immunity and reduces duration of colds. Studies suggest vitamin C reduces the risk of asthma and benefits those with asthma when they have a cold. Lemons, rich in vitamin C, can help shorten cold symptoms and may boost immunity during intense physical activity. Squeeze half a lemon in warm water with honey for relief. 3. Fights iron deficiency anemia. If you've got iron deficiency anemia, add lemons to your diet. Not only do lemons contain some iron, but they also improve the absorption of iron from plant foods. This is important for vegetarians and vegans since plant sources of iron, non-heme iron, are not as well absorbed as meat sources. 4. Prevents kidney stones. If you've been diagnosed with kidney stones and suffer from them repeatedly, citric acid in lemons might help. Studies have found that citric acid in lemons increases urine volume and its pH, creating an unfavorable environment for the formation of kidney stones. If you've already had kidney stones, the ideal way to do this is by consuming half a cup of lemon juice per day. Some studies have found that lemonade might also prevent stone formation, but there isn't enough research to back this. 5. May prevent cancer. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables is known to prevent some types of cancers. A few studies have found that people who eat the most amount of citrus fruits have a lower risk of cancer. Other studies have found that compounds in lemons kill cancer cells, although they were test tube studies and don't determine whether they'd have the same effect in the human body. Experts believe that limonene, naringenin, D-limonene, beta-cryptoxanthin, and asparagine, compounds in lemons may prevent cancer. One study found that these compounds could prevent malignant tumors from developing in the tongues, lungs, and colons of rodents. That said, quality research is required before confirming this.